Hi everyone, I am Nitin. I work and has been by Deloitte. I am software engineer one in this company. I work on like full stack technology like React, Java, and all those things. I am from Nitte College. I joined Hastin as an intern on 3rd Feb 2020. Since then, like I was converted to full time in month of November, and like it's already been almost 1.5 years. If you count internship. So I work on like front end technology like React, Node.js, that is backend, then on Java and all. So like I'm more into development. Okay, so college, I was not a geek at all. I used to bunk classes and all. It was like fun actually. Bunking was fun. Okay, so when it comes to preparing, actually, I focused. The thing in my 3rd year, my college says to go through RS Agarwal book for APT and all. So that helped a lot, but not for this Hastin company because Hastin does not ask APT. They are like more into technical question. So it's like more of a technical. So it was like a perfect platform for me to like test and all. It was taught in college, but we're like 2nd or 3rd year, so we had to revise. But nothing new actually. Whatever they ask in companies, nothing new. It's all the concept that we have learned in first, second, and 3rd year. So and yeah, for revising and all, did use YouTube or some sort of channel and all. So I don't remember which channel, but just random search and random result. I prefer textbook over notes and all. So it's like textbook helps. Our college has an online app for registering for such company visiting our college. So we had to register through the app of our college. Once registered, we had just like it was a pool campus in Manipal College in in Udby district. So we had gone there. There were like 600 like candidate over there in the first round. So after that, they made us write written test. So they do not believe in like coding online hackers. So they gave us one question based, three coding question and five objective question, like one word answer all output question. So after like we had to like answer all five and the coding question, like whatever you can. So after that, so it's like I guess if I'm not wrong, around 5 o'clock in the evening we had the test in Manipal. After 5 o'clock, it went till 8, 3 hours of test, and and night 12 o'clock same night we got the result. And next morning we had the interview process. So it's like I went see again we went actually then we had 30 people were left from participant like candidates. So after that again they gave us some question, one question and write the output within half an hour. So we wrote the output and they called half of us inside to explain our code and other half were asked to go back. So after explaining our code, they selected some and again asked some people to go back. And after that, we had like 2 rounds of technical and one HR round. That was the process for placement. And after that we are supposed to go for 6 months of internship period. Post 6 months we have full-time conversion based on the performance. Yeah, so that was like the summary of Hastin journey. Almost all got converted, but some people left before that because of the thing is we have something called boot camp in our company. So it's like 2 months of rigorous training on some different technology. So some people did left between that, not sure the reason, but yeah, after that who all stayed. After 2 months, we all got converted full time. I remember one or two questions. One was asked to me was to pass the left node of the binary tree, only the left node, like from bottom to up, from the last node to the first, like the root node. And there was a string using like there was only one string using. You have to find where the like in which string like length where is the palindrome. Like there was a palindrome in the string. We had to find the palindrome. Yeah, it was more of see if you are from computer science student, you might be knowing some subject like design algorithm and analysis subject. So in that we have like many algorithm. So all those things like merge sort or sorting algorithm, all like simple, like not like rocket science or not simple algorithm like what we taught in college, all those things. Just a basic revision like sorting, link list, all those things, tree and all. If I remember properly, all my questions were based on data structure. So it's like data structure is the like initial tool you need to know before you get into a company. Otherwise, it's difficult actually for you in the starting. I did like Java actually in college. Why Java, if you ask? Because Java the first OOPS language which we taught, other than C++, that was like in 11, 12 I had learned. So the first language which learned was Java, and they taught us like Java swings. Were like sort of fascinating for me, like to making UI buttons and all. So I like Java more in other language. Say the thing is we got full-time conversion rate in COVID period. So it was really happy actually because see, no COVID, like getting job is like big deal right now because jobs are not there. Even if they are the starting of COVID, actually it was difficult to get a job. So it was nice actually. My parents were happy too since I was home. Yeah, as I told you, we have boot camp, right? So boot camp is like they teach different technology, like they give us some project. You can say that some sort of hackathon. You can not hackathon exactly, but something like that. They'll give you some technology. It's like initial tool they'll give you to, and they'll ask you to make some application based on that. So it was like training on different technology, front end and back end, including database as well. After that, we put into one month of product week. So they have divided us into a team and they ask us to make a product of our own. Idea they will give, we have to work on the idea and make a product. After that, we will put into live project. So we did have some training. Actually, we joined on 3rd February. So that time in Feb, there was no COVID situation in India. I guess first case came in March. So for full Feb, we have like 4 months of like 4 week of training. And after that, we started with our product week. Almost half a month, I guess 18 till March 18th, we were there. After that, we were told to work remotely.
Yeah, this
Not directly actually, we were asked to go back home and they're like, we'll let you know when we can like onboard you all. So before getting actually as an intern itself, I was put into live project. But like not much difference. I used to know my like seniors and all, and I was working the same project as well. So it was not much difference. But yeah, just my designation changed from software engineer intern to software engineer one. Only that was a change. Remaining all things were same, just that I was full time now, getting more like like getting paid more. That's all. Can say that focusing on the basics and revision, I will say, because the kind of question they asked in the like placement, if not for basic, it will be difficult to write the answer. Even though even I remember it, my answer was not optimized, but yeah, basics were right. So they might because of that they might have selected me for the next round. So you can need to focus on your basics. See, whatever they teach you in second or third day, though you might feel like it won't be useful, but believe me, that's the most useful thing you can learn in the initial day of your college. It's like they teach you basics of any language. See, once you are in a company, okay, they won't ask you to you need not know any language. They only ask you to know the basics. If you know the basics, you can do anything in the company. So focus on the basics. That's all. Okay, so it's like we say it's like there's many projects right in Hastings. So we all project will have a team leader. So we all decide our own working time based on the client. If your client is in the US, you have to decide something according to that. Because it will be your time, but you need to have some like margin where you can talk to them or something like that. Remote is like though I like working from office actually because working from office means you get to enjoy, you get to talk to your colleagues and all. Right now, working from home, you cannot interact much. All have to do is like, turn on your camera and get on a video call. So like I do not like it, but yeah, it's good. No problem as such. It's like has to follow like flexible culture. So it's like we do not have any such restriction. I have to come online this and go offline then. It's like totally it should be totally your choice. So I started working on React and Node.js actually. Later on, my project got over. I shifted to reactive Java. Reactive Java is a new sort of thing in Java actually in Spring. Then after that got over, I went to Spring MVC architecture, Spring MVC, the old Spring, which was like we were using for client. That is all totally on the client, like what client want, we have to do that. Yeah. As I told you, you need not know that in starting. We will just tell you the requirements. If you know the basics, you can work on it, no problem. So right now, because Haston had like very like startup culture, we have flexible timing, everything is nice. It's very nice to work in Haston. So if you are, when I was in company work, when I was in Bangalore actually, they used to give us free food also. That is one of the best part being a bachelor in Bangalore. We did not worry about making food and all. So it was one thing. Then we have like very fun, like HRs are even seniors are very fun actually to talk with. They are very helpful. So it's a nice to work in Hastin. You get to learn more technology. I told already I worked on 3 different technologies. So it's like you have more exposure to the current technology. So it's nice. I am glad I am working in Hastin.